Let's dive into a detailed exploration of each cruise line, starting with Norwegian Cruise Line and continue through the remaining liners in the United States, focusing on their package offerings, daily activities, and what sets each apart. We'll start with a typical example package for each, breaking down daily activities and highlighting unique aspects. What's included? Accommodation in chosen cabin category. Freestyle dining at multiple eateries. Entertainment, including Broadway shows like Jersey Boys, access to fitness center, pools, and hot tubs. Youth and teen programs. All port taxes and fees. Daily activities on the cruise. Daily activities. Morning. Start with a breakfast buffet at the Garden Cafe, offering everything from omelets to continental selections. Midday. Enjoy poolside relaxation or participate in a cooking demonstration or dance class. Evening. Dine at specialty restaurants like Le Bistro for French cuisine or teppanyaki for Japanese. Catch a Broadway show or head to the comedy club. Night. End your day with a cocktail at the observation lounge, enjoying panoramic views, or relax under the stars by the pool. Unique aspects. Norwegian's freestyle cruising concept allows guests the flexibility to dine whenever and with whomever they choose, with no fixed dining times or pre-assigned seating, making it ideal for those who prefer a more relaxed, personalized cruising experience. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.